Bitcoin giant MicroStrategy rebrands to Strategy, and everyone in crypto made the same joke. Strategy posted a loss last quarter as its Bitcoin buying spree ramped up, but word of the rebrand dominated the conversation Wednesday.
MicroStrategy rebrands to Strategy, reinforces Bitcoin Treasury focus. MicroStrategy announced on February 5th that it will rebrand to Strategy, reflecting its focus on becoming a Bitcoin (BTC) treasury company and a publicly traded business intelligence firms. The Nasdaq 100 constituent company also introduced a new logo featuring a stylized B, which signifies its Bitcoin strategy and position within the crypto market.
Bitcoin price prediction for February 5th. Key levels to watch: Bitcoin, BTC, recently dipped below the $100,000 mark, but this drop isn't just a result of typical market fluctuation. With rising global tensions and uncertainties surrounding trade negotiations between the United States and China, Bitcoin's price movement is reflecting broader economic concerns.
MicroStrategy, now Strategy, reports Q4 net loss of $670.8 million, targets new BTC dollar gain of $10 billion. The company FKA MicroStrategy recorded total revenues of $120.7 million, down 3% from last year, and missed estimates by about $3 million.
Bitcoin sell pressure could ramp up after 49.7K BTC on-chain move. Bitcoin price could drop under $94,000 again, as crypto market sentiment turns negative for the first time since November 2024.
Ripple restores XRP ledger. After a 64-minute outage, Ripple's XRP ledger experienced a brief but significant outage on February 5, 2025, causing a 64-minute disruption in network operations. A temporary shutdown caused some concerns among users and impacted the price of XRP, leading to a slight dip in market sentiment.
Solana app revenues up 213% in Q4. Messari cumulative app revenues peaked in November at $367 million, according to the report.
Ripple's XRP on track for 63,000% rapid explosion, like in 2017. Analyst XRP traded relatively quietly on Thursday, following a strong performance on Wednesday, when it outperformed the broader cryptocurrency market, rising by 2.5%. The uptick came after CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared a photo of himself with the president-elect, sparking renewed interest in the crypto.
PENGU price falls as Pudgy penguins burn over $150 million in Solana tokens. Pudgy penguins burned unclaimed Solana airdrop tokens earlier than originally planned, and PENGU's price dipped lower afterwards.
Solana could target $220 if it holds current levels. Analyst expects short-term bullish momentum. Solana is trading above the crucial $200 level after enduring days of extreme volatility and heavy selling pressure. Despite the uncertainty, Solana remains one of the strongest assets in the crypto market, sustaining its bullish momentum that has been in place since 2023.
XRP price under pressure after outage and 50% drop in active addresses. XRP price remains under pressure, trading within a key range as technical indicators signal potential downside risks. The recent 64-minute outage, which briefly halted transactions, has now been resolved, but it did little to boost investor confidence.
Shiba Inu recovers from 6-month low, assessing if SHIB will hold on. This surge in large holder net flows marks the highest single-day accumulation by whales in nearly 1 month.
Shiba Inu rally imminent. 1.23 trillion SHIB moves into wallet. Amid ongoing market uncertainty, Shiba Inu, SHIB, the popular and second-largest crypto meme coin, has gained attention from crypto enthusiasts and made a big move. Today, February 6, 2024, blockchain-based transaction tracker Whale Alert posted on X, formerly Twitter, that a crypto whale transferred 1.239 trillion SHIB tokens, worth $20.
CBOEBZX files to offer options on spot Ethereum ETFs. The CBOEBZX exchange has proposed listing and trading options on spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds (ETFs).
Arbitrum integrates with Bitcoin OS to expand into the Bitcoin network. Arbitrum has integrated with Bitcoin OS (BOS) to bring its Ethereum-based Layer 2, L2, scaling solution to the Bitcoin network. Arbitrum brings Ethereum-based L2 scaling to Bitcoin, according to the release shared with Bitcoin.
Tether CEO unveils AI platform Tether Data, launch expected by March 2025. Tether is gearing up to roll out an AI platform with tools for translation, voice assistance, and Bitcoin wallet management.
Charles Hoskinson outlines the future of Cardano's Hydra. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and IOHK, has expressed strong confidence in the future of Cardano's Hydra protocol and its potential to reshape the blockchain landscape.
Ethereum is no longer the crypto casino, as DX traffic switched to Solana. Solana's ecosystem is displacing demand for altcoins and Ethereum-based tokens due to ease of use and more opportunities to bet on new tokens.
Public Citizen accuses Trump of soliciting gifts with meme coin posts. Though Donald Trump launched his meme coin before taking office, he has called on his social media followers to buy it after January 20th.
Hedera gains attention. Will HBAR price skyrocket to 90 cents? Hedera Hashgraph's Hedera HBAR token is currently facing downward pressure as the global crypto market is in turmoil. However, the HBAR price is poised for a notable upsurge, primarily driven by the platform's major developments.